Hey everybody, we are at the lake. We being the Springfield Urban League and Springfield Aeroshots. We are concluding our first flight session. Everyone did spectacular. They followed rules and remained safe, and they did a great job flying their drone. For most, it was the beginning or the first time they'd ever flown a drone before. So how exciting is that? That we had 18 students being able to come out and learn how to fly today. We have a few more flight sessions left as we go along in the course. However, today was a good success. It's very exciting. Stay tuned. About all this.
They're good.
You feeling great?
Mine's got a 5.
You got a 5?
You got a 5.
You got a 5? They feeling pretty good about oh boy right here. I love it. I love it. I love it. How are we feeling about this flight?
Great.
Are we comfortable?
I'm in Vegas right now.
You in Vegas?
Yeah,
Feeling good?
Right now. I'm gonna fly back in a minute.
Yeah, okay. You getting the feel for everything, getting a little bit more comfortable? Look at Mr. Herm over here. Yeah, I love it. I love it.